Hello, Bunkin. Namaste. Hi. Welcome to all stretch class. The music is fine. The music, the sounds is fine. Or you want me to slow down? Hi. Hello again. Hi, Bunkin. It's a stretch class today. Stretch class app. Where we're going to the stretch the muscles, tissue, and joints. It's fine. Thank you so much, Elja. Hi, May. Music fine. Thank you so much. Namaste. Namaste. Welcome to all here. Hello, Bisal. Hello, Jaslyn. Welcome. Hello, Atika. Okay, welcome to all here for the stretch class. Hello, May. Welcome. Welcome to all here for the stretch class. Hello. Hello, Veronica. Hi. Hello, Vikas. Okay, so I'm going to the off the comment, so you no longer comment me. Okay, so please everyone go back to your mat. So I'm going to the off the comment. Hello, Vikas. Thank you for the joining. So please go on the mat. Welcome to you. I'm going to off the comment now. Okay, so everyone please let's move on the mats. This is a stretch class today I'm going to conduct. So please sit in the any comfortable posture. If you comfortable in the cross leg, you can stay in the cross leg. If you feeling in the comfortable in the sit on the heel in the diamond pose or Vajrasana, you can sit there. If you comfortable to sit in the lotus pose, welcome you to sit in the lotus pose. Though you feeling when you're sitting on the mats without any support, if feeling difficulty, you cannot able to sit longer. You have booster, like see, this is I have the booster here, so I can use this booster to sit here. Or if you have the block, you can sit on the block as well. So which one easier for you? You comfortable, you can sit there. Today I am going to conduct the stretch class. My name is Jamantu from the Regal Yoga, and it's a home practice. So we are going to conduct the stretch. The stretch help you to release the tension in your physical body, your joints, loosen up your joints. You can stretch your muscles, your tissue. You can release your tension in your spinal muscles, your lower back. You can release your tension in your shoulder. And this class help you to increase the mobility in your joints. And when you are stretching the muscles, when you are stretching the tissue, it help you to release the blockage. Sometimes we have the blockage in our energy. Sometimes blockage have the blood circulation. So this class help you to release the blockage, your energy, release the blockage, your circulation, the blood flow in your joints and in your tissue. So let's start the session. I'll just tell you one thing. During the practice of the stretch, like if you go the when we warm up done, we go the deeper stretch over the hip, our shoulder, over the side torso. Try how much your body can accept. Okay, how much your body can allow you. Don't force yourself, don't fight yourself. Just enjoy your practice, how much your physical body give you a space, you can go deeper. Okay, so let's start the session. Namaste and welcome to all here for the stretch class. Please have a seat in the cross leg or the heels. Bring your wrist on the knee. Softness your shoulder and softly close your eyes. With your closed eyes, just aware your own physical body. When you aware your physical body, try to lengthening your spine. Make your spine longer, but try not to give any kinds of your tension in physical body. Softness your shoulder blade, relax your shoulder. softness your neck muscles. Try not to give any kind of your tension. And relax your facial muscles. Just give a gentle smile on your face. That's your softness. With your full awareness, can you watch the flow of your breath? Can you breathe in and breathe out? During the inhalation, try to feel you expanding your abdomen as you inhale and relaxing your abdomen as you exhale. When you inhale, let the expand your abdomen like a balloon. When your air go inside of the abdomen, your abdomen become bigger like a balloon. That is your abdominal breathing. And when you exhale, let the relax your abdomen. Your abdomen contracting means your navel going inside towards your lumbar spine. When you inhale, your navel out, your abdomen become bigger like a balloon. Exhale, bring your abdomen in. Two more rounds. Inhale deeper. Exhale longer. Breathe in deeper. Now this time, hold your breath and drop the head down, chin to chest like Jalandhar Bandha, throat low. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your chin up and long exhale. Join your palms in your heart center. With a beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. Welcome to all to the stretch class. So I'll start the session with the shoulder and neck first. So interlace your 10 fingers. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Elbows should be straight, palm facing up, and gently look down to the ground. When you're looking down to the mat, if you can, bring your chin to the chest and breathe. Reaching your arms higher towards the ceiling to elbow straight. Can you gently roll your shoulder back and chest forward? Breathe. 10 breathe. 9, stretch and breathe. 8 more. 7, 6, breathe and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, look front and release your hand. Exhale. Now next I'm going to the shoulder rotation. So you have the towel, you can use the towel, or if you have the belt, use the belt. So I'm going to the shoulder rotation. Hold, inhale, raise your arms up. Those who have any kinds of the shoulder injury or any kinds of the shoulder pain like a frozen shoulder or any kinds of your neck cervical, or if you have the tight shoulder, you can follow first step. Bend the left elbow and roll back to make the both elbows straight behind. Bend the right elbow, inhale up and exhale, roll forward. Inhale up. Just now we go the left hand, now go the right hand. Bend the right elbow, inhale, roll back, exhale. Bend the left elbow, inhale up and roll forward. So you can try this way. Or those who can, elbow straight, inhale, roll back, inhale up, exhale, roll forward. So you can try which one easier for you. Okay, ready? Inhale up, exhale, roll back. Inhale up, exhale, roll forward. 10 more. Inhale up, roll back. Inhale up, exhale, roll forward. Inhale up, exhale, roll back. Inhale up, exhale, roll forward. Inhale up, exhale, roll back. Someone say music is loud, so just little slow down the music. Inhale up, exhale, roll forward. Inhale up, exhale, roll down. Inhale up, exhale, roll forward. 3 more. Inhale up, exhale, roll back. Inhale up, exhale, roll forward. 2 more. Inhale up, exhale, roll back. Inhale up, exhale, roll forward and relax. Once you relax here, release the belt here. Hold. Now we're going to shoulder stretching. So bring your left hand forward. Inhale, stretch your shoulder. Turn your palm. Bring your left hand behind. your left palm facing up. Your left palm facing up. You can see me behind. And lift your right hands up straight. And bring your right palms behind. Lock here. So your left palm facing behind and right palm facing on the spine. Lock here. Hold. And breathe. Don't you feeling you cannot. If you have the towel or if you have the belt, you can use. Roll your right shoulder. Bring the elbow back of the head. Inhale. Cross your ankle and bend forward. Rolling. 10 bend. 9, 8, 7, 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, head up. And exhale, release your right hand and release your left hand. Just sit here and relax. Now we'll go the same concept on the right hand first. So stretch your right hand forward, stretch your shoulder, turn your palms, rotate and bring your right hand behind you. So tip of the finger pointing up towards the ceiling. Left hand up, straight and bring back. Lock your fingers. Again, if feeling the tight shoulder, you can use the towel or use the belt. Roll your left shoulder, bring the elbow back of the head. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, go down. 10. Those you feeling touch the forehead, you can find. Those you feeling you're not touching the forehead, if you have block, use the block. 9, 8, 7, 6, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, head up, release your left hand, exhale, relax and release your right hand. Just sit here. Interlace your 10 finger once again, inhale, stretch your arms up, look up, chin up, breathe, straight, feel the lightness your shoulder here, 5, 4, stretch and breathe, last 3, 2, and 1. Look front and exhale and relax. Stretch your leg forward. Just shake your legs, shake your hamstring, calf muscle, swing left and right. Now just lie down on the back here. Once you lie down, join your legs together. Lift your right leg up and catch your foot. Hold it. Breathe. Don't you feeling your hamstring apart, you cannot able to reach your hand to the foot. It's fine. Use the towel or use the strap. Or if you can, stay here. Breathe. So you're stretching your hamstring and stretching your calf muscles. Knees should be straight. Push your thigh bone. Stay there. Breathe in and breathe out. Flex your ankle. Can you gently roll your right hip up from your right shoulder? To grounded your right hip and grounded your sacrum. Breathe. Inhale, pull your legs towards the forehead and head up. And breathe. 10, 9, 8 more. Make sure grounded your left hip and left knee straight. 7, 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, head down and exhale, release your right leg and relax. Change side. Lift your left leg up, hold it, catch your foot, knees straight, stay there and breathe. So again, this time you're working your left hand straight. Stay there. Knees should be straight. Flex your ankle and flex your toe. Breathe. Can you roll your left hip away from your left shoulder to grounded your sacrum and grounded your left hip. Breathe. Inhale. Pull your legs towards the forehead. Exhale. If you can, head up. If you have neck pain, let the head on the ground. Stay here. Make sure grounded your right heels and right knee straight. 10, 9, 8 more. 7, 6 more. 4. Breathe. Shoulder relax. 3. Softness your neck muscles. 2. Inhale, head down. And exhale. Release your leg. And relax. Hug your leg. Roll forward, come up and sit on the mat. Join your feet together in the butterfly. Just swing your knee here. Swing to increase the mobility in the joints of the hip. And breathe here. Continue swing your knee. Swing continue. Softness your lower back and softness your shoulder. Butterfly, one of the beautiful posture, beautiful yoga practice therapeutic to the help to loosen our the hip joints. This is one of the joints we practice more, have lots of mobility, lots of movement. Most of the movement we practice on the mat come from the hip joint. So all have the butterfly when we practice one of the beautiful posture to loosen our the joints and increase the mobility in the joints. And this is also good to the activate our the energy from the lower body. Continue for last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Hold your foot with your both hands and bring the elbow on the thigh to push your knee down. Bring the elbow on the thigh to push your knee down and stretch your spine. Breathe. Breath. 9. Stretch. If you, those who can, those who feel it, your body, give you a space. Stretch your hand forward, lengthening your spine. 9. 8. Push your knee down. 7. Stretch and breathe. 6 more. Let the head down. 5. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. 4. Last 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, look front. And come back. Join your knee together to let the healing massage your joints of the hip. Breathe. Push your palms, just stand up here. Open your both legs like this. Once you open, push your palms, look up. Now bend your right knee and left toe up and hip down here. Just hip down. Inhale, push your right palms, come up. Bend your right knee, left leg straight and exhale down. Breathe. Inhale, push your left palms, come up. Bend your right knee, left leg straight, left toe up. Exhale down to stretching the inner thigh, inner hip joint, inner region. Inhale, push your palms, change side. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale up, last round. Change. Exhale. Hold here. Drop the hip down. Move your right ankle forward. Bring your left hand to hold your right ankle. Push your right knee behind. Your knee not falling forward. Push your right knee away from your body. Inhale. Stretch your right hands up straight. Exhale down. Catch the outer edge. Bend the right elbow. Twist. Chin up. Those who need towel, those who need a strap, hold. Push your left shoulder forward and roll your right shoulder. Chin up. 10. Push your right knee away from your body. Knee not falling forward. Push your right knee. 6 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Just go down. If you want to more deeper straight, hip up and straight forward. 5. 4. 3. 2, and 1. Push your right palms, come up, knees straight, and exhale, change side. Bend your left leg, hip down. Drop the hip to the mat and walk your left leg, move forward. Push your left knee on the left side, knee not falling forward. Push your knee to the left. With your right hand, hold your left ankle, push your left knee. Stretch your left arms up, inhale, and exhale down. Catch the outer edge, bring the left elbow, twist. Those who feeling you're not able to catch, use the strap with the towel. Stretch. Push your right shoulder forward and twist. Stay there. Knee not falling forward. Push your knee. Breathe. 10 breathe. Twist your chest. Lift up. Push your left shoulder back. 7. 6 more. Inhale, exhale. 5. 4. 3. 2 and 1. Inhale, come. Exhale, bend forward. Those who can stay here, those who want to deeper, push your palms hip up and straight forward. 7. 6 more. 5. 4. Breathe. 3. 2 and 1. Inhale, come up. Both knees straight. Little close your legs. Catch your back of your ankle. Exhale, bend forward, head down. Stretch your spine. Can you bring your both hands behind? Interlock your 10 finger and stretch your shoulder. Breathe. 7. 6 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, come up. Look up, drop your palms, turn your left foot in front and exhale downward dog. Hip up, left leg back. Breathe. Spread your fingers, spread your toe, push your heels to the back, knees should be straight and push your chest up, stretch it. Take a deep inhale and then you exhale Ashtanga. Drop the knee, chest between your palms and drop the chin. Inhale, Cobra, stretch. Exhale, back to downward dog, hip up. Leg together, lift your right leg back and up, stretch. Bend your right knee, arch and twist. Push your chest and push your shoulder. Exhale, bring your right leg forward. If you have knee pain, use the towel or use the anything under the knee. Move your legs forward. Your ankle and your knee not in a line. This time move forward like here and press your right hand on the right side. Stretch your left arm side. Exhale. Stretch. Twist. Chin up. Though you're feeling you're not able to touch, you can use the block and drop. Stretch. Push your pelvis arch. Twist to the left side. Look your left shoulder. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, come. Drop your palms. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg back. Left leg back and up. Inhale. Pointing your toe. Bend your left knee. Arch and twist. Push your chest and push your shoulder. Stretch your lower back. Breathe. Exhale. Bring your left leg forward. Between your palms. Drop the right knee. It's fine to not bring your ankle in line. Just move your ankle forward. Hip down, chest up. Drop your left hand on the left side. Stretch your right hand. Arch and twist. Breathe. 6 breath. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, come up. Drop your palms. Exhale, down the line. Drop the knee, chest and chin, Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, Child Pose. And come back. Now, sit up straight and open your leg in the side as split. Just a stretch here. Breathe. Just open your leg. Breathe. Inhale, left hand up and right hand forward. Exhale. Inhale up and change. Exhale. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale. Stay and breathe. If you can, go down to cat. If you cannot, stay there. Twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, and inhale up. Change. Exhale. If you can catch, alternate and twist. If you cannot, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale up. Exhale, bend forward. Good. Those who choose to stay and enjoy the practice. Enjoy the stretch, your adductor muscles, inner thigh. Someone feeling below the knee, someone feeling above the knee joints of the side, someone feeling middle. So this stretching is called the 10 minutes of stretching. So it's fine to enjoy here. Someone feeling the inner thigh and inner groin, it's fine to stretch. Breathe, lengthening your spine. Those who want to deeper stretch, bring your one hand behind, one hand forward, hip up, roll forward. Bring your hands back, hip up, roll forward. And stay there, stretch forward. Breathe. Keep arching your lower back to lengthening your spine. Make your spine longer. Stretch. Try to gentle arch from the lower back to create the rotation your pelvis forward. Roll your pelvis forward and stretch your spine forward. So once you arching here, your pelvis coming forward. It's not going back. It's an arch like you doing the back bend. So how you doing that back bend? Hunching and arching. So this time only arch to bring your spine inside. Then you can go the deeper stretch your adductor muscles, inner thigh, inner groin. Breathe. Keep lengthening your spine with your each breath. Inhale and exhale. Last 10 breathing. 9, 8, 7, 6 more. Last 5. 4. 3. 2. And come back. And relax. Bend your left leg. Here. Bend your left leg. And bend your right leg, bring your right ankle top of your left thigh like double pigeon. So remember, your right ankle top of your left leg, right ankle top of your left knee, and right knee top of your left ankle. Push the elbow on the knee. Pull. Though you're feeling your knee can use the towel and take a shower. So your muscles cannot touch each other. Your right knee connecting on the left, right ankle connecting on the left knee, and right knee connecting on your left ankle. Breathe. Those you want to deeper stretch, move your left ankle forward and drop your right knee in front of the left heel. And hold it. You can bend forward if you can. Ten breathe. 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, come on. Exhale. Release your both legs. And relax. Change side. So this time, bend your right leg. If you're comfortable, ankle on the knee without towel. If you're not comfortable without towel, use the towel here. And put your left ankle on the towel. So you can give the support, your muscles cannot feel the contraction. Your ankle on the knee, then your knee on the ankle, or move your ankle forward, knee on the mat in front of your ankle. So you can feel the motive. If you're comfortable, stay there. Both elbow using to press down and hold, or you can bend forward. So which one comfortable for you? Stay there. When you practice the double pigeon, also you can rely. Those who have the unevenness of the hip, those who have the unevenness of the pelvis, you can feel one side little easier than your other side. So other side little feel the difficult, your thigh joints, and your one side you can feel more easier and relaxed. So you can also, you know that either you have the thigh one-sided, either you have the unevenness. And breathe. But those who have this category, please try to balance both sides equally. 9 more. 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Exhale. Release your leg. Secure. And relax. Cross your ankle back to the down dog. Just pedal your leg here and breathe. Same time move your hip left and right. Leg together, right leg back and up, inhale, stretch. Bring your right leg forward between your palms. Go the front split, stretch forward completely and bend forward. Either you tuck your left toe, either your left toe pointing back. Which one is your? Stay there. You can swing your hip left and right, or you can just stay there and do 10 breathing. 9, 8 more. 7, breathe in and breathe out. 6 more. 5. Last 4. 3, 2. Inhale, push your palms, come up, exhale, right leg, sit on the heel. To let the heel, your hamstring, your calf muscles. Exhale, back to downward dog, keep up. Chins up, left leg back and up, inhale, stretch. Bring your left leg forward between your palms. Go the split, breathe. So if you're comfortable, go the split and stay. If you need block, you can use the block. Either your right toe tap in, either your toe point to reach for easier for you. You can micro roll your hip left and right to the region now. Breathe, stay here. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, push your palms. Exhale, sit on the heel. Downward pose, or you can go to the comments. And come back. Now we go the pigeon pose. This time we go the one leg. So bring your right leg forward. Drop the right. So first drop the hip. Your right ankle or your knee level or move your ankle inside. According to your own physical body. How much your body give you a space. If you're comfortable, stay here. Stretch your left leg back. Bend forward. If you want to demonstrate, you have to move your legs forward. If you have the body a space, then you can move your ankle to the knee level. And stretch your left hand forward and stretch your right hand forward. Try to keep grounded your right sitting bones. You shift your body weight over the right sitting bones and arch from the lumbar spine, lengthening your spine. Give the 2x and 1 time. Push your right hip down and roll your left hip on the left side. Breathe. This is your 2x. So you can engage more your right gluteus muscles and your hip region. Stay there. Can you stretch your left leg back and stretch your left hand forward, lengthening your spine. Breathe. Shoulder relax and hang your head down. If you want to more deeper engagement, tuck your left toe and push your left heel back. Breathe. Each breath, relax your shoulder. Last 10 breathing. 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Bring your right leg back. Exhale. Sit on the heel. Relax. Change your side. Bring your left leg forward. Drop the left hip. So your hip and your femur both flat to the back. Move your left ankle to the knee level. If you're not comfortable, bring your ankle inside. So how much you comfortable, but keep remember the hip and your femur must be connecting to the ground and shift the body weight. Move forward and exhale. Breathe. Try to stretch your right leg back and stretch your right hand forward to keep lengthening your spine. Either you can tuck your toe to push your heel back, but remember to left hip and your femur flat to the right. Roll your hip to the right side. Exhale. Head down. Let the relax your shoulder. Softness your shoulder. Softness your neck muscle. Just letting go yourself. Letting go means surrender yourself in the pose. Surrender means you have no ego in your physical body. Ego means your physical body not holding you back. Your physical body keep giving your space and just relating down and just relax it. You can turn your palm facing up. That is your gratitude to surrender. Last 10 breathe. 9, 8, 7, breathe. 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2. Come back and relax. Sit on. Hold it. Look from it. Bring your palms behind. Press the tip of the finger. Inhale. Push your pelvis arch and straight. 5. Like your back bench. Push your pelvis forward. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, come. Exhale. Stretch your leg forward. Leg straight and together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Head down. You can either towel or either strap, those who are not able to catch your foot, or those who can just do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come and relax. Seriously. Left hand up and stretch your neck to the left side. Change side. And relax. Palms behind them, chin to chest, round your spine. Bring the elbow close to each other. And come back. Stretch your leg forward and just lie down. Hug your leg. Roll left and right. Drop your both knee on the right side. Right palms on the knee. Turn your head to the left. Stretch. Change sides. Come back. Hug your leg. Head up. Roll up and down. And relax. Stretch your leg forward and just relax. Focus on your navel in and out for a few rounds. Bring back your awareness, legs together, hands up and stretch. And relax. Roll your right side. Push your palms up and sit on your hands. Just relax. Palms in your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. and breathe out. With a beautiful smile on your face, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much. Have a nice day to all. Remain on the balance. Hope you like the practice today. Hope you enjoy the session. Hope this practice make your whole day fine. Balance of the day make you more good. Balance of the day, namaste Ani. Balance of the day make you more fresh. Thank you, Chris. Make you more energetic this class today. Chris, hi. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ani. Thank you, Ku. Thank you, May. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Varnika. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy. And you can see me tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Sunday, right? Yeah, Sunday. 8 o'clock. Stay safe. Thank you so much. You too stay safe and healthy. See me tomorrow 8 o'clock. Stretch class again. Thank you, Elja. Okay. Have a great balance of the day. Enjoy the day. Have a nice weekend to all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your appreciation, Annie. Thank you, Jenny. Bye. See you. Have a good day.